welcome to a piano video. Today we're going to do sleeping, classic, everyone's favorite. So I'm going to play it with voice and no voice, but I'm going to do no voice now and then after I'll do no voice. That's technically sleeping. Now I'm going to do it with voice. Baby is sleeping alone in her bed. Daddy is washing and stroking her hair. Nighttime will come, morning will come. Baby is sleeping tonight. Good night, good night, good night. That is sleeping. I hope you guys should enjoy this video. If you did, why don't subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.